Hey yo, what's poppin'? Raresh here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of tech interviews, uncovering the 5 golden rules that can help you ace your next big interview. Tech interviews are the gateway to some of the most promising and rewarding careers in the tech industry. Whether you're aiming for a position at a top tech giant, a startup with a cutting-edge product, or anywhere in between, your performance in these interviews can make or break your dream job prospects. I get it, interviews can be nerve-wracking. The pressure, the anticipation, the fear of the unknown, it's all too real. But fret not, in this video I'm arming you with the knowledge and strategies you need to conquer those interview jitters and emerge victorious. Let's kick things off with rule number 1, master your technical stack. In today's tech-driven world, mastering your technical stack is like wielding a superpower in the job market. Your chosen programming languages, frameworks, and tools are your trusty companions on your coding journey. They're your tools of creation, and to excel in tech interviews, you must master them. Imagine your tech stack as the palette of colors for a painter. Just as a painter uses different shades to create a masterpiece, use your programming languages and technologies to craft innovative solutions. The more colors you have on your palette, the more vibrant and dynamic your creations can be. Deep knowledge of your tech stack is your foundation. It's not just knowing the syntax, it's about understanding the intricacies, the best practices, and the potential pitfalls. When you're faced with a technical question during an interview, having this deep knowledge empowers you to approach it with confidence. But remember, the tech world is in constant motion. New languages, frameworks, and tools emerge regularly. To stay ahead, you must be committed to continuous learning. Dedicate time to explore emerging technologies and trends, and consider engaging in personal projects that allow you to apply what you've learned. Also, use the ever-evolving landscape of technology in your favor. Tools like ChatGPT offer concise and accessible explanations. Its capacity to distill intricate information into easily digestible insights can significantly accelerate your learning process. With ChatGPT, you can confidently navigate the complexities of various frameworks and technologies without the need for extensive research or study. It's a convenient and efficient way to enhance your knowledge and stay ahead in the tech world. Give it a try and experience firsthand how ChatGPT can be your knowledge companion. Moving on to rule number 2, nail the coding challenges. When it comes to tech interviews, coding challenges are the heart of the matter. These challenges are designed to assess your problem-solving skills, your ability to think critically under pressure, and your knack for turning complex problems into elegant code. There are different flavors of coding challenges, each designed to test specific skills. Algorithmic problems, for example, access your ability to optimize code for efficiency. System design tasks, on the other hand, evaluate your capacity to architect large-scale software systems. Understanding the type of challenge you'll face is the first step towards success. Now, let's delve into strategies for tackling these challenges head-on. One powerful approach is to use pseudocode. It's like creating a rough draft before writing an essay. Pseudocode helps you outline your solution logically, making it easier to translate into actual code. Another valuable technique is the use of test cases. These are sets of inputs and expected outputs that validate your code's correctness. By running test cases, you can catch bugs and ensure your solution works as intended. It's a practice that showcases your commitment to producing reliable software. Unfortunately, to truly excel in coding challenges, practice is your best ally. Platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeSignal offer a vast array of problems for you to solve. They cover a wide range of difficulty levels, allowing you to start from the basics and gradually work your way up to complex challenges. So dive into coding challenges, embrace the process of learning and refinement, and you'll be well prepared to tackle this crucial aspect of tech interviews. If you liked the video so far, please like and consider subscribing. I'll give you a cookie. Rule 3 shines a spotlight on mastering behavioral interviews, a crucial component of tech interviews that goes beyond coding skills. Behavioral interviews aim to assess your non-technical abilities, such as communication, teamwork, problem-solving, and adaptability. While they might not involve writing code, these interviews are equally essential for determining your overall fit for the role. So, what can you expect in a behavioral interview? Well, you're likely to encounter questions like, tell me about a time when you faced a challenging situation at work and how you resolved it. Or, describe a situation where you had to work in a team and achieve a common goal. These questions delve into past experiences to gauge your behavior and character. To tackle these questions effectively, consider using the STAR method: situation, task, action, and result. Start by describing the situation or task you faced. Then detail the actions you took to address it. Finally, share the results of your efforts, emphasizing the positive outcomes or lessons learned. For instance, if asked about a time you showed leadership, you could describe a project where you took the lead, the actions you took to guide the team, and the successful results, such as completing the project ahead of schedule. When responding to behavioral questions, remember to be specific and concise. Use real-life examples from your experiences, whether from work, internships, or personal projects. Showcase your ability to adapt, collaborate, and problem-solve effectively. Ultimately, behavioral interviews are your chance to demonstrate your interpersonal and soft skills, which are just as important as technical expertise in the tech role. With the right approach and preparation, you'll shine in these interviews and present yourself as a well-rounded candidate. Now let's delve into Rule 4, where we focus on honing our problem-solving skills. In the world of tech interviews, your ability to dissect intricate problems and craft elegant solutions can truly set you apart. Problem-solving skills lie at the heart of every tech role. Whether you're developing software, optimizing processes, or debugging, you'll encounter challenges that demand creative solutions. These skills are not only valuable in interviews, but also in your day-to-day work. So, what's the secret to becoming a master problem solver? It starts with breaking down complex problems into manageable steps. Think of it as solving a jigsaw puzzle. You tackle one piece at a time until the big picture emerges. There are various problem-solving techniques you can employ, depending on the nature of the challenge. For example, divide and conquer involves breaking down a problem into smaller, more solvable sub-problems. Dynamic programming is great for optimizing solutions to recurring problems. Design thinking encourages empathy and user-centered problem-solving. Remember, problem-solving isn't just about finding the right answer, it's about showcasing your thought process, creativity, and adaptability. Interviewers often value your approach as much as the solution itself. Here's the crucial piece of advice. Always say something instead of freezing up and saying, "I don't know." Imagine you're faced with a challenging problem, and it feels like you've hit a dead end. Rather than admitting defeat, take a deep breath and vocalize your thought process. Explain what you do know, what you've tried so far, and where you're currently stuck. This not only shows your interviewer that you're actively engaged in problem solving, but also opens the door to valuable hints or guidance. For example, you might say, "I'm not entirely sure about the solution right now, but I've identified a few potential approaches. I could try approach A or approach B, but I'm leaning towards approach A because it seems more efficient in this context. However, I'm still working through the details." By doing this, you demonstrate your problem-solving mindset and willingness to collaborate. Interviewers appreciate candidates who can think on their feet and engage in constructive problem-solving dialogue. So, when in doubt, speak up and keep the conversation flowing. It can turn a seemingly difficult situation into an opportunity to shine. Next up, it's Rule 5. Follow up with gratitude. After a tech interview, the final impressions you leave on your potential employer can be a game changer. It's all about showcasing your professionalism, gratitude, and genuine interest in the role. Sending a well-crafted thank you email is more than just a courtesy, it's a strategic move. Here's why it matters. Begin your email by expressing your sincere thanks for the opportunity to interview. Politeness goes a long way in leaving a positive impression. Reaffirm your enthusiasm for the role and the company. Let them know you're genuinely excited about the prospect of joining their team. Reflect on some of the key points discussed during the interview. This not only shows that you are actively engaged, but also highlights your understanding of the role and its requirements. Make your email memorable by including a specific detail from the interview. Maybe it's something unique about the company culture, or a challenge the team is currently facing, or maybe it's a funny moment that popped up during the interview. Personalizing your message shows that you are attentive and genuinely interested. Remember, timeliness is crucial. Send your thank you email within 24 hours of the interview to keep the conversation fresh in the interviewer's mind. By following this rule, you'll not only demonstrate your professionalism, but also set yourself apart as a candidate who goes the extra mile, a quality that employers often highly value. There you have it. With these 5 golden rules in your arsenal, you're well equipped to tackle your next tech interview with confidence and finesse. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember that every interview is an opportunity for growth. If you found these rules insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Also, if you have any questions that I can answer in a future Q&A, improvement ideas, or you just want to say hi, please drop a comment below. Until the next video, have a good one. Raresh out.